This is Claire's first haircut. If she will let Mama do it. She's got some really good Beatles bangs going on here. We're going to have to check for straightness because she dodged. Okay.
It's a long hair, baby girl.
We haven't really
That
cut the
do.
front since I was born.
It's 14 months of hair growth.
And you, guys, what are you doing to me? Oh, that's what I really wanted. Haha, it's going to comb. Look at Mama. Good girl. Oh, yes, it's pretty.
Pretty good.
It's pretty. Where's your yard? Is it better? Can you see now?
It's perfect.
Is it better?
It's perfect.
Mama do okay? I get the comb, that's all I can.